What? Oh! Wait. Okay. Okay, cool. Hey everybody, welcome back to more Pokemon Ranger Shadows of Almia, and I am finally back after a week. In the last episode, we played the key game with that old man, and in this episode, we're going to have to go in this lava cave, and Wendy's gonna come with a voicemail. Excuse everybody, she's exploring the little volcano. Understood? Yes. Okay, so first off, we're gonna have to get this Torkoal. As you can see, there is a whole bunch of lava everywhere, and oh my god! Okay. Well, these Pokemon are high in vitamin, kill everything. Holy crap. Anyway, as you can see, its area move is lava flow. It's magma flow. What that can do is, obviously, it can, well, let you surf on lava, as odd as that may sound. But let's use Torkoal and swim across lava. So, you see, I forgot his name, but let's go over here and see if there's anything interesting, huh? Wait, before I go over there, I want to check over here first, I think. Yeah, let's go over here and see what we can do. Alright. So, oh jeez! Yeah, for a little guy, you are destructive. Alright. Wild Big on attack. Okay, so apparently he has a charging move. Oh, no, he does it twice. And, then he has, oh, so he only has one charging move. So, what we learned about Bagons today? What we learned about Bagons? It tackles to attack. I can applaud if I want to. Oh, stop punching me! Why are you punching me? Why would you do this to me? I have done nothing to hurt you. Okay. So he has what I think is to be arm thrust. Yeah, that's arm thrust. Superpower. Oh god, a triple extension. Oh Jesus! Oh, what was that? Belly drum or I think it was belly drum. Alright, arm thrust. Superpower. What? Belly Quake. I'm gonna call it Belly Quake. Because I have no idea what that move is supposed to be. That's the thing I don't get about. That's the thing I didn't really like about this series. It didn't really show you what the moves were. It attacks with punches, shockwaves, and by thrashing about. Okay. But yes, back to what I was saying before. I didn't really like how they just showed you like these random moves that the Pokemon did. It wasn't all that specific as to what that attack could be. Like, I'm just assuming what these attacks are. I'm not even sure, but I know that for one, the attack is probably more than likely Lava Plume because there's fire everywhere. But, well, I guess you can kind of value that in this game, that if you play from like what would people call the original series of Pokemon, like Yellow, Blue, Silver, all that crap. If you look back at, shut up, please. If you look back at the other games and you read the description for the Pokemon moves, you actually get to learn what those moves do, and if you pay attention to that, you get to see that this is what those Pokemon are actually doing when they do that attack. So I guess it's kind of cool, but in a way, what is this? Oh goody, it's a lava rock! Oh, there's a Raichu. Okay. Let's go down here and see what we have in store. Alright. Alright, no, it's done it. Alright, let's get a circle right here. Oh, Charmeleon, that's pretty cool. Let's catch it. Alright, so I think that's more than likely Ember. And you broke my style line, you little bit. Wait, only with Ember? Dude, Charmeleon's terrible. Alright. It tested spitting embers and blobs of fire. Huh, I guess I didn't see the second attack. We were too awesome! Alright, let's go over here and catch this Striflim, because usually out of place Pokemon always come in handy. Except when they're literally out of place, so they don't really need to be here. Oh yeah, so earlier I had like this giant thunderstorm over at my place. It was crazy. It sounded like the sky was collapsing. Or like a building was falling apart or something. If this storm hit you, please tell me about it. And if you're actually watching this video this far, I thank you. Torkoal, always being dumb, and Torkoal. There we go, got him. Alright. Okay, so. An S rank on him because he's just that easy. Dang, I was trying to see if I can actually get a video in where I don't yawn, but that's not possible because I am very tired. Oh, speaking of tired, I have an interesting little story about me. What's the thing? Yesterday I ran 3 miles and I placed 14th in the entire group of people, and there were 70 plus spots, so yeah, it's pretty decent. Alright, nothing up there, nothing in here, let's go back. Well, do I have anything else to talk about? Oh, wait, that's a Flareon. Let's capture. Alright, let's see what you can do. Capture on! Alright, so his first attack is Ember, I believe. That's Flamethrower. That's more Flamethrower. Alright, so, time to read your bio. It attacks by shooting fireballs and breathing steams of fire. Okay. Let's see what we got. A rank! You don't know what you're talking about. Ooh, Torkoal. Capture on! B-rank! This game has it out for me. Okay. Let's get rid of you, because you are not needed, and Flareon is you, but better. Let's go down into, not the wall, go to the exit. Alright, let's go down here. Hey, that yawns for next episode. Let's go down back over here. Top off of you. Later, Torkoal. I'll never miss you, ever. Alright, let's go out. This cave. So, okay, so what that guy basically saying, he's basically giving you tips. Like, if you didn't know this is the way you want, this is the way you're not supposed. Basically, he's saying that if this is that you didn't know this is the way you're not supposed to go. What am I trying to say here? If you didn't know you're not supposed to go this way, he tells you that he tells you more about the Red Prince and all that good stuff. He tells you about the circles that let you ride on lava in the cave we were just in. He says that we should go explore it more, blah blah blah, good stuff like that. Happy go-go time. And yeah, there's not much more to it to that than that. Just dodge that Slugma, get out of the way of the Charmander, and leave the cave with our Shellos, I think it's called. I don't know, I'll call him Shelby, because it's a girl. Or so I'm assuming. Alright, so charge that up. And draw a little lurky super. Alright, so who can we get rid of? No, not you. Well, I guess we'll get back for him later! Go over here. What the? Hey! Let's get rid of a Bagon and get a Bagon. What's this? Oh yeah, Pokemon's Dragon is this. Come over here. Come on, go over there, you little... Ah, come on! Come right over here. No. Okay, let's go right here. Good gracious, that took a lot of his friendship up. Okay, we have... Oh wow, 0.2 seconds left. That's amazing. I am a true speed demon. Alright, let's use that on that. I jump on this. And here's the real jerkiest thing about you. You think this will crumble the dirt to pebbles, right? Wrong! It turns into a boulder! Then you have to use this on that, its own power, and you don't even need to use it, and you just waste your Hariyama on a giant boulder rock. And then it turns into pebbles. Thanks, Hariyama. See you again. Yeah, I'll see you right on that left corner. Ooh, a Shogun. Let's capture you. Oh my god! Move fire! I don't think the fire department can do anything about blue fire. Alright, got it. Him. It. It breathes blue flames and attacks while thrashing battle. Okay. Anyway, let's capture this Torkoal. Oh Oh, jeez. He broke my styler, you little jerk. You gotta pay for that, you know. You're only helping me. You're not even helping yourself at this point. So, you know, it's all your fault. Alright, that Bagon's watching me. Ha! You missed! Rolling on a river made out of lava, rolling out a river made out of lava, rolling on a river made out of... Rolling on a river made out of lava. I am just rapping. It's not even rapping. He is drawing lava plume. He just made use lava plume. I'm drawing little circles. Caught him in a orb. Got him in his ring. Ran into a chameleon. 2 minutes watching the video. Okay, I think that's enough for now. That was some hardcore beatboxing. Now we're gonna get this drift limb. No. Drift limb step. I do not have much to commentate on at all. Let's get rid of you, because you're completely useless, even though you can, like, murder me by charging me. Anyway, time to surf on lava. Get away from me, you giant coal. Wait, hold on. Torkoals are lava tortoises, okay. Yeah, lava turtles, okay, back on. Yeah. Teenage Mutant Lava Turtles. Got the stairs. And use our giant dead balloon to fly us up to the next level. Mwahaha! 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 I wasted my time going up there expecting something nice, and all I see is a boulder and a Raichu. Man, I want my money back. No, I didn't pay for all. Do not go into GameStop and steal. That is wrong. Even though GameStop is a coup. Please don't hurt me. Anyway, let's go over here. And, oh, what do we see here? A villain. Team Some Crispies. White Ranger coming around with Lavana. Oh, is that another Team Dim Sum boss? I hear annoying. Oh, God! What the? It dropped on me! That thing ninja'd on me! Anywho, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, like, subscribe. Next time we'll be dealing with annoyance. Yeah. I'm going to have a fun time.